Hello, this is Hanif. Welcome to the Life Coding channel. And in this tutorial series, you'll learn Python by doing some great exercises. So let's get started. Please do subscribe on my channel and click on the notification icon to get latest video updates. So in this exercise 4, we need to write a program that will take input temperature, that is the Celsius temperature, from the user, and then it will display the output temperature in Fahrenheit. And so let's see how to do that. So the first thing that we need to do is that we need to take the Celsius temperature from the user as an input. So declare it as C, and then we just take a variable like C for it, and we also would like to take the input Celsius temperature as a floating point, so float, and then ask the input enter the Celsius temperature. Okay, and now we need to convert that Celsius temperature that is stored in C right now. After getting that from the user, we need to convert it to Fahrenheit, and the formula for that is that basically Fahrenheit would be like C multiplied by 9 and then divided by 5 and then plus 30. So it is the formula to convert Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit. Okay, now we need to print that thing. Okay, print Fahrenheit temperature is, and one thing we would like to do is that we would like to print up to 3 decimal point of the Fahrenheit temperature. So how we can do that? So point, so if we give 0.3, then F for floating, then it will actually print up to 3 decimal point, and then F, and that's it. That's the program. And if we now run it, so suppose we would like to give 32.3, suppose, whatever. So as you can see, the Fahrenheit temperature would be like 90.140, and it is displaying the Fahrenheit temperature up to 3 decimal point. And that's it. How to convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Hope this helped. Thank you.